my blender, and I can't wait to show you this. So here are the kitchen scrap items we will be dealing with today. We got some super disgusting looking watermelon rinds because I've had them stored up for a few days now in little storage containers. Cucumber slices, coffee grains, and eggshells. So first let's start with cucumber slices. Now, although I can't give you the whole full scientific breakdown of cucumber slices, that I've learned is they are high in potassium and magnesium, which improves the size and quality and the root growth. Now, because of the noise of the blender, I didn't show that part, but one thing that I want to tell you is I added a cup of water to those cucumber peels before I started blending. Next will be the watermelon rind, which contains vitamin C, B6, potassium, and amino acid. Long story short, this puts off a nitrogen to the soil, which is very good for plant growth. Nitrogen is what all plants need. I may have a little too many in this container for this, but we'll see. I think I'm just going to try that many for now. I'm also going to add about a half a cup of water before I start blending. I went ahead and added the rest of the watermelon rind, which really filled up the blender container. So basically what we are doing is making a nice plant smoothie. So the next thing that I will use will be the coffee grinds. Now, before I blend up the coffee grains, I wanted to tell you, you can take these and just sprinkle them around your plants just like they are, because it helps to repel slugs and snails. And the same way with the eggshells, if you break these up into small pieces and spread them around your plants, it also repels the slugs and snails. Now, by blending the coffee grains up, it works as a soil conditioner, and what that does is it helps aerate the soil and with the microorganisms and the breakdown of the soil, so the plant roots can spread out and to help make bigger plants. Let's get this in the blender. Now, my question is, who is up for a plant smoothie today? If you want one, just let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to get one out to you. Just kidding. Now, last of all is the eggshells. And the reason why we want to use eggshells, not only, for the pest repellent, but also eggshells is high in calcium, which is crucial for cell and root development. The way you will know, or one way you can know if your plants need calcium, is if they were to have what they call blossom end rot. And what that is where the blossom end of the fruit, it develops a dark sunken spot. Now, there's many other signs, like, if you look at the color of the leaves, you may have a yellow tint on the leaves or something, and that's usually like on the bottom portion of the leaves. So just so many different signs. So we definitely want to keep the calcium in the soil. So let's get the eggshells put in here. And that's about all this container is going to hold. And there's many other, fruits and vegetables that you can use to do the same thing, but this is just what I had in my kitchen today. So what you would want to do next is to mix this with water. Now, some people would say to let this sit for 3 to 5 days, and I'm just going to say let it marinate for 3 to 5 days. Or you can immediately add this to your plants without letting it sit. The best way that I can tell you on mixing it is you would want to take 1 cup and put it in a large container and add 10 cups of water to it. So last of all, any leftovers that you have, you will want to store in the refrigerator. I do not recommend putting a lid on it, and storing it out in the hot sun, because gases do build up in this type of thing. So definitely store in the refrigerator. And do not pour it directly onto the plant. You will want to pour it around the plant base or roots of the plant. So that's all I have for you today. Let me know what you think in the comments and any suggestions. You guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. Bye-bye.